Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find the fuse for the intake runner solenoid, guys. You have that flap on the intake that opens and closes, okay, very important part of your engine, and if that fuse doesn't function correctly, okay, your car may not even start, may not run correctly, so we'll explain where that fuse is located. Also, we'll have a video how to replace the intake runner and how to remove the intake manifold if you need to do that. Another thing, guys, okay, always test the fuses even if you're replacing them with new ones. We'll explain why. Make sure you stay until the end. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So you can see, guys, 2.4 engine right here. This is the intake runner. Okay, right here on this car you can see that's what it is, guys. Now we have a solenoid that controls it. You can see this is the solenoid, and we have a fuse that controls that solenoid. So if you come right here to the fuse box, which is located right here, guys, you will need to open it. One notch here, one there. Squish, pull straight up. Perfect, just like that. On the back side you will have the fuses printed. What we did, we tried to make a picture and zoom it a little bit so we can show you with a great detail where the fuses are. But that fuse, guys, for the intake runner is known as a sensor 2 fuse. Now this fuse right here, it's a 10 amp fuse, the second fuse. So this is the fuse that we are looking at. That's very important fuse, guys. Check it out. Now that fuse controls the purge valve, variable timing, intake runner, the evap system, and the crankshaft sensor as well. So you can go ahead, pull it out. Now in some cases you cannot tell if a fuse is good or bad, so what we will recommend, always test them, guys. It may look like a good fuse, but actually it's a bad fuse. So we have a special video that explains how to test the fuse, and it takes only a few seconds, so we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Also, if your Kia Optima doesn't start, we'll have a special video, top 5 reasons why Kia Optima doesn't start. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.